Godfather on the tee.
I don't know what I did.
Godfather, you feel like flashing your butt today?
I might.
You feel like maybe taking your shirt off and your pants off and, you know, because I tell you, the YouTube people can't get enough of that kind of action. Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh, come on. YouTube people love that kind of stuff.
No, I think I'm going to wait.
Okay.
Good shot.
Get a kick.
On the green. Oh, little foul.
Can you at least come over here and fart for the camera?
I'll work on that.
Okay. Maybe we'll get you after dinner.
Possibly.
Yeah, okay. Now we go to the famous YouTube plumber. Yeah, we'll see if you can't get the camera right here. You know, YouTube people love that stuff too. Oh, no! Oh, man. Oh, man.
I didn't really mean to do that, man. I really didn't.
Oh, man.
I didn't mean to do that.
Yeah. Yeah, it just slipped out, didn't it?
I promise you. It just came out.
Yeah, you know, you just broke your neck for nothing. And now you're giggling like a little girl over there. Come on.
Because I didn't fart, man.
I know.
The other way.
I know. Do you see your hat ruffle up and down when you did that?
I fucked everybody up.
Oh, man.
It's a good thing you'd be scarred for life.
You're in the fairway.
See that tree that's leaning?
About 5 yards.
Well, oh, yeah, baby. Woo-wee.
Quit!
What?
Quit! Quit! Taking pictures of my behind. Good Jesus.
Well,
The shit out of people on everybody in the world.
you're right, because YouTube is worldwide.
Kill me with that camera.
That's why they call it the World Wide Web.
No.
Watch this,
You gonna
folks.
put that on our homepage?
No.
She loves it.
Good one on the green.
That could be good.
In Ruthie's bush.
Okay, and that wasn't bad. Now here comes I don't know what you could call this guy.
Might be hanging with Teddy.
Are you?
I think you're gonna outdrive me this time.
Yeah, I don't know. Are those well, never mind.
I think you got. What
Let's see what you got here.
kind of cleats are on those?
That's what I was gonna think. Are those
Those are PGA
Which
flip-flops.
way are you aiming?
they are Nikes. They're Nike flip-flops.
In the woods, do you?
Y'all give him a...
There you
I'm
go.
gonna be there anyway. Hit the tree.
Oh.
That could be good.
It could be sweet.
I'm still in the woods. Hang on.
It really could be good.
Now, Teddy,
I'll let you out.
Okay, folks, there you go. Reindeer Hill action at its finest.